Language is a skill that we all use every day for everything. So it has the potential to be life-changing. It will allow you to maybe set yourself apart from other, candidates if you're looking for a job where they require bilingual skills. And, learn a new language, learn a new culture. You might even find love. I like the idea that we have small classrooms because it allows me to engage with my students more and walk around the class. It's not just about conjugating, but it's about talking and learning and making mistakes. And I tell them all the time, if you make a mistake, it's actually okay because you are processing the information that is leading you to the way of getting the right answer. The best part of my day is when I'm in the classroom. It really is. It's fun. I feel that they understand how important it is, and we're all there for the same reason. We are committed. The class is never boring. It's a laboratory of language where you're learning, new things every day and you're experimenting. So that makes it fun. Who doesn't want to do that?